Hey guys, it's Mark. I want to welcome everybody back to the channel where it's all about racing. Folks, it's nothing more exciting for me when I have a Porsche 911 RSR to share with you guys, and I have got one of those today. Yes, this is a Porsche 911 RSR 19, that of the team Iron Lynx. You can clearly see that on the side of the car there. That competed at Le Mans 24 hours in 2023. Now this is a Spark 143 scale model, comes with this black wooden base. You can see the box there, it has a acrylic jewel cover, and the Le Mans packaging that you would expect from a car that's part of the Le Mans collection. So folks, the Iron Lynx Motorsport Lab is an Italian auto racing team founded in 2017 by Andrea Picassini, Claudio Schiavone, Deborah Meyer, Sergio Pianazzola, and is based out of Cesena, Emilia Romagna, Italy. Yes, Italy. Now, the team championships include the Michelin Le Mans Cup in 2020 and 2021, GT3, the European Le Mans Series 2021, LMGTE, and European Le Mans Series 2024, LMGT3. Now, although in 2023 the team was in fact a Lamborghini factory team, you guys remember that, they took a Porsche 911 RSR to Le Mans. Why? Because Lamborghini did not have an LMGTE spec racing car. They had GT3, but not LMGTE. That confused the crap out of me because you remember the Iron Dames had a Porsche as well. Now, the car that competed at Le Mans 2023 did so with the following drivers: Claudio Schiavone, Italy, FIA Bronze; Matteo Cressoni, Italy, FIA Silver; and Alessio Piccarella, Italy, FIA Gold. Now, can anybody remember when Porsche came out with the 911 RSR? It was in 2017, designed to compete in the LMGTE categories of the FIA World Endurance Championship. And thank God they did, because it was, what, the best-sounding car out on the track. The chassis was carbon fiber monocoque, and the engine is a Porsche M97 F flat 6, naturally aspirated, with a maximum get a load of this guy's 9,500 RPMs and approximately 503 horsepower. The transmission was a 6-speed sequential semi-automatic paddle shift, and its brakes are ventilated steel discs. We're going to take a look at those in just a moment. As I mentioned, the engine is probably one of the best sounding in the world. It clearly was. Guys, here's a cool look at the front of the car, and I think you see that Iron Lynx logo. In the grille, notice that the livery is yellow with blue and red and has just that odd Iron Lynx livery that they adorn with their Ferraris and everything else over the years. Now, guys, I mentioned we take a look at the wheels, and there you can clearly see those slotted steel rotors. You can see the brake caliper, really nicely done. Center lug nut, silver rims, Michelin tires. Guys, great job by Spark. Take a look at those latches. And one thing I want you to notice here is we're going to show the headlights from the side here. Look how perfect those headlights are. I mean, there's no gaps. The paint, Spark just does a phenomenal job, unlike almost everybody else. Notice even the tiny little things. Look at those pull tabs for the emergency switches right there on the windshield. And look at the windshield banner with the tear tabs on the side. I mean, and guys, look at the mirror and the carbon fiber surround on it. Beautiful job by the folks at Spark. We'll move down a little bit. Look at the side rails on there and that silver inlaid grille. Notice the names of the drivers there, just above the driver's cabin. And you're going to see one aerial and a pitot tube on this car as well. There's a cool look at the rear tires. There's a cool look at those beautiful and really nicely done rear tail lamps. And look at the Italian colors on the end plates of the wing. Ooh, and now for the money shot. Guys, this is it. This is what I call the money shot. Looking at the back of this beautiful Porsche, taking a look at that majestic, huge rear wing on it. The exhausts coming out of the rear in this particular case. Look at that nicely done carbon fiber rear diffuser. As I mentioned previously, the rear tail lamps look absolutely spectacular. Beautiful car. Notice the Iron Lynx on the rear wing. And that nice black engine cover that you have. I talked about the aerial and the pitot tube there before. Thank God for Spark Models for bringing us such spectacular cars. God, I love you guys. And nothing says I'm more badass than the rear of this car. And guys, take a close look. You are going to see that blue, the blue mechanism, that's the inlet for the air jack, and there's a pull tab on that. Notice also too, under just before the rear wheel, you've got that cutout for where the exhaust used to be before they routed it to the back. Anyhow, guys, that is going to wrap it up. I want to thank everybody for tuning in and watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. See you next time.